Welcome to the University of Wisconsin River Falls. My name is Dean Olson, and I am the Associate Dean for the College of Agriculture, Food, and Environmental Sciences. Our college name gives you an idea of the wide range of options we have to offer for our students. Nevertheless, to keep things simple, we like to call ourselves CAFES for short. In a normal year, I would be meeting you on campus to discuss opportunities for you as a prospective student. However, due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, we have prepared this online version of our Falcon Preview Days. In spite of this current health crisis, I congratulate you on looking to the future as you prepare to make an important decision that will put you on the path to a challenging and rewarding career. My goal today is to help answer a very important question as you consider enrolling at UWRF. Is the University of Wisconsin River Falls and CAFES a good fit for me? You may already have a specific major in mind, or possibly you are browsing to see what we have to offer. Let me take you on a brief tour of our college to highlight our majors, our students, our faculty, and the daily experiences that make CAFES students unique. These are the reasons why our graduates are nationally recognized and why employers actively recruit our graduates of our programs. CAFES consists of 5 different departments with an array of 14 majors distributed across the college. A common question I hear is, do I need a farm background if I choose a major in CAFES? The answer to that question is no, you do not. Personally, I grew up on a farm, and that was a major reason why I chose to study agricultural engineering. But it was my journey through college that led me to become a teacher and eventually an associate dean of the college. Like me, approximately 40% of students in CAFES come from a farm. However, that means 60% of our students do not have a farm background. So what major is right for you? Well, that depends on your interests and your career goals. Are you interested in working with animals? We have options. Is your passion the environment? Yes, we have opportunities there too. Whether you are looking for a career working outdoors, helping to feed a hungry world, conducting research in a laboratory, working with farm machinery or robotics, working with people, or managing a business, or maybe you want to be the boss someday, I am confident CAFES offers a major to help you reach your goals. There is one piece of information of which we are very proud. At the start of each school year, we do a short survey of our new freshmen. Of the 445 CAFES freshmen that completed the survey last fall, 90% said CAFES was their first choice for a college. We know there are many other good schools out there, so we are just very pleased and proud that what we do here seems to be working and our reputation is strong. We all know how statistics cannot always be trusted, but this is real. We have been surveying our incoming freshmen for 13 years, and this number is consistently between 84 and 91%. I believe the main reason for our reputation is the hard work and dedication of our students, faculty, and staff. Our faculty work very hard to give students a sense of community, and many of our students view CAFES as their second home. We do this by engaging in active learning with our students. We provide support both in and out of the classroom, and we foster a spirit of learning. At UWRF, our first priority is undergraduate education. So let me tell you a bit about our college. We believe that what we do and how we do it has helped us earn our first choice ranking from so many students. CAFES has many specialty labs available to enhance learning. We firmly believe our students learn by doing. These specialty labs provide opportunities to perform laboratory exercises and to validate key concepts taught in the classroom. In addition, these specialty labs support undergraduate research activities. Unfortunately, you cannot see and learn about all of our lab spaces in this virtual tour. However, I want to highlight at least some of them. We have a greenhouse and a tissue culture lab providing support to our plant and earth science department. Our dairy and meat processing plants offer unique opportunities for students majoring in animal science, food science, and agricultural engineering. We also have specialized spaces for soils, animal physiology, bioprocessing, a computer-aided design lab, and a materials testing lab. Our well-equipped environmental testing lab and a network of automated groundwater monitoring wells on campus offer a unique learning environment for our students. And I have to mention the farms. We have 2 laboratory farms. One is focused on production agriculture, and the other farm is primarily dedicated to our equine program. The Man Valley Farm consists of some of the most productive soils in the state, along with some unique geology. Soil pits on our farms display the diverse geologic history and soils of this region. A common site in the agriculture science building is student activity related to student organizations and intercollegiate competitive teams. These clubs and teams are a great way to have fun, network with your peers, and to build your leadership skills. CAFES has more than 20 active student organizations and nearly 20 different competitive teams. These clubs offer a wide range of activities. For example, last fall the Dairy Club hosted an industry guest speaker from VitaPlus, and they decorated and delivered holiday cookies to area farmers. Our Resource Management Club helps conduct controlled burns on campus. The Geo Club organized field trips for activities such as rock hunting. Our clubs also do some things just for fun. Welcome back to school picnics in the fall to reconnect with friends and to welcome new students. Or perhaps they have an evening of bowling, broomball, or ice skating. These are the reasons why our students feel at home in CAFES. Our intercollegiate and judging teams are quite competitive. Examples of recent success include our Western Horse Show team, which was the reserve national champion at the IHSA national competition in Syracuse, New York. Our forage team took first place at the National Forage Bowl competition 2 years in a row. This past January, they bested Kansas State University at the competition in Greenville, South Carolina. Academically, our students are also very active outside of the classroom. One opportunity I encourage you to consider is participating in an international experience during your college years. There are many opportunities at UWRF, ranging from a full semester abroad to short-term 1 to 3 week study tours during the summer, J-term, or spring break. CAFES has a number of study tours focused on topics of interest to our majors. For example, we offer a tropical restoration experience in the Bahamas. Our Agricultural Economics Department offers a 10-day experiential learning study tour. They have taken students to Argentina and Taiwan with plans to visit Ghana in the near future. For the past 10 years, we have been taking students to southern India to visit the University of Agricultural Sciences in Bangalore, learn about production agricultural practices in India, and to study at a world-renowned food research institute. A new experience this year is a trip to the Netherlands, focusing on resilience planning in the face of natural hazards and climate change. The Netherlands is a world leader and internationally recognized for efforts in this area. Another experience that some students choose is undergraduate research, called ERSCA, on our campus. You can work one-on-one with a faculty member and really dig into a topic that interests you. You not only learn about the research process, identifying a question or a problem, collecting and analyzing data, and formulating a conclusion to answer your question or solve the problem. But the experience might also include presenting your results at a professional meeting or writing a campus mini-grant to help fund your project. All of this helps you develop these soft skills that employers look for: problem solving, communication, and creativity. Last fall, we had students working on developing a new marketable product from whey, which is a byproduct of cheese production. Another student evaluated management practices on alfalfa winter kill. And yet still another surveyed insect infestation in a local watershed to identify areas of special concern. Perhaps the strongest and most valuable program in our college is the CAFES internship program, which was established more than 50 years ago. Our faculty work very hard to establish and maintain relationships with our alumni and peers in industry. We do this to offer internship opportunities for our students. You might ask, how does an internship differ from a summer job? A CAFES internship is a 3 to 6 month guided workplace experience under the direction of a faculty coordinator. Faculty ensure these work experiences meet the rigor and goals of our internship program in order to provide a meaningful experience for our students. Last summer, we had over 600 internship opportunities for our CAFES students. And best of all, approximately 98% of these internships are paid internships. Our internship program offers benefits for both our students and our industry partners. Internships are a great way for our students to explore possible career paths in their chosen field. Additionally, these companies are looking for highly qualified individuals to join their team and will often view these internships as a 3-month interview process. It is not unusual for our students to return for their senior year with a job offer on the table. That's a pretty nice feeling, knowing you have a career waiting for you after graduation. A portion of curriculum for our CAFES students includes a foundation courses component. We develop these foundation courses with 2 purposes in mind. First, these courses allow a student to explore. For example, if you are not sure which major is right for you, these courses provide a preview of our other programs. Sometimes these foundation courses introduce students to a different career than originally planned. When I was searching for a college major, I did not even know what an associate dean was, and becoming a college professor was not even on my radar. The second purpose of these foundation courses is the contribution to the breadth of your education. Although we offer many different majors, there are common interests between the programs. For example, if I am teaching students how to design an irrigation system, they need to know something about the soils and the crops they are irrigating. Additionally, since these foundation courses are required in other majors in the college, these courses will count even if you decide to change majors. With careful planning, you can graduate in 4 years, even if you do decide to change your majors in the first 2 or 3 semesters at UWRF. Our primary focus at UW River Falls is undergraduate teaching, and here are the people that make this all possible. Our faculty focus on undergraduate teaching, which is much different from large research universities where faculty focus on research and graduate students do much of the classroom and laboratory instruction. Here, you will have the faculty working with you in the classroom and teaching your laboratory classes. In addition, a faculty member will be your academic advisor. You will formally meet with your advisor each semester to register for classes, answer any questions you may have, and to discuss potential career opportunities. Based on personal experience, I know you will have numerous informal meetings with your advisor throughout the year. Now that you know a little bit about the college, I am sure you want to know a bit more about your specific area of interest. As I stated earlier, The wide range of majors offered in our college reflects our name, the College of Agriculture, Food, and Environmental Sciences. Do you see a major that looks like a good fit for you? Do you wish to talk to somebody, or perhaps you have some questions? If so, I encourage you to contact the department chair for your major. They will be happy to visit with you to answer questions, have a conversation, or connect you with another faculty member. I look forward to meeting you in the near future as a new Falcon, and maybe I will see you in class.